this tutorial, you will learn how to fix the error, "Can't connect to EA servers in EA Sports FC 25. First, open your control panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your connection. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses in preferred server type 8888. In alternate server type 8844. Press OK. If 8888 didn't work, then type 1111. First, open your Start menu. Open Settings. Open Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and then click on Manage Settings. Disable Real-Time Protection. Now start your Call of Duty Black Ops 6 download. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Now type the following commands: ipconfig/release. Press Enter. ipconfig/renew. Press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.